Hi, just a quick video on how to use warehouse calls. If you're in Adversus, you need to go to warehouse and calls in the menu on the left. When you go here, you are able to see all the calls that are made on their account. As you can see on this account, only one call has been made. You can see it right here. We give you all calls with some additional information such as name, address, and so on. You are able to filter your way to specific calls. For instance, if you only want to find calls on a certain campaign, you're able to filter your way through like this. Could also be that you want it to be in a specific duration, so you only want to find calls that are above 15 seconds, and this matches as well. It could also be you want to find that they should start, let's say yesterday, so it should be made yesterday. That is also possible. You can filter your way on the user, on the number, and so on and so on. So you actually have the possibility to filter your way until you find the specific calls that you're interested in. Besides filtering on the lead status and the call status, how long it was, and so on, you're also able to filter based on the data you do have. So, for instance, if you want to find all calls made to a guy named Christian, then you'll actually be able to create the name here and say it should only be the one where the name is actually Christian. And it will show you the one lead that does match again, or the one call that match again. Once you have actually filtered your way through, you can have a look at the columns. As mentioned, we gave you the standard information, name, address, and so on. If you don't care which number will call, then you're able to remove it. But if you are interested in looking at for instance, the last name, you're able to click it right here. This lead doesn't have a last name, but if there were any information, it will be visible. And you can also drag and drop so it will have a different look, so it will change its place. Besides filtering and adding the columns, you're also able to do some actions on these calls. Where it is that you're able to delete the recordings if you do have any recordings on the leads. Also, let's assume that you found all calls made yesterday and you want to each day have a look at the calls made yesterday. Then you're able to save the view, and each day you're able to go into views right here at the right and see all calls that were made yesterday because you created a standard view. If you want to, you're also able to export the view into an Excel spreadsheet, and you are also able to export automatically. This means that you each day will get an email with call matching your filters. For instance, all calls made yesterday. This will go directly to your inbox. This was just a quick overview. If you have any additional questions, feel free to get in touch with us. Have a great day.